No, man, alive.
No, man, alive.
Yeah.
One time.
Wagwan sports fans, welcome back to another episode. I'm Joe Mar,
I'm Rush.
and this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates. You know, and extra.
Yeah.
And internet.
These are the extra.
These are the extra.
And them see what going. I know them see what going from above, bro. I know them see what going. Talk to the people, bro. What we at the time?
Alright, so people, as you can see, you know, I'm here in my golf tees. You know, my khaki pants, as they would say.
Yeah.
You get me? And so you can see us walking in our colored tees because this are that sports TV today. We'll be going golfing. Yes, people, we will be going golfing. So, as you guys might have seen,
Let me give them a quick disclaimer, you know, bro. I've never golfed before. Never in my life.
neither have I.
So,
Growing up, I used to play golf on the Wii.
yeah.
You get me?
No,
So
man,
I
you know
video
one
game.
time, bro? One time I sneaking at put and, you remember put and play?
Yeah.
You remember sneaking at put and play with brother them, man? I sneak over the little miniature golf court. I
And
remember the
putt.
too bad.
Well, maybe.
Not too bad.
Well, if you can find the green, you'll get
Yeah.
a chance to putt today.
Alright.
But you have to go find the green first.
Let's go see.
Alright, so people, we're both amateurs. As you can see, we kind of disappear off of the Jamaican scene for a while. So it's clear that we're not about. You get me? I say, but we have to clear our head. We have to go up on vacation sometime. I know, so this is that sports TV work hard. So we kind of touch out a
Miles,
little bit.
you want to
Relax
add to the vlog,
yourself.
bro?
So, people, these are some of our people, them.
What's going on?
Miles.
I'm an amateur golfer.
And we have Zach over here.
I'm a little better than Miles.
Yeah, Zach is anyways, people. So we're there. We're gonna play some golf. We link up with a few of our friends them from wherever it is in the world over there.
Yeah, we can't
And-
tell them.
Oh,
Undisclosed location.
Oh, for tell them, bro.
Never.
But yeah, so people, as you can see the drip. You get me? I say.
Clean. People, tell me what I like.
Yeah.
When I quiet
Watch
talk,
out,
yeah.
hold it.
Yeah.
Them see the style, you get me? I say.
Yeah,
And then the normal
yeah.
style. And then
No,
it's
man,
good.
alive.
Brian, you what? Brian, say hi to the vlog, bro. Let them know
Right,
what
you get
going.
your beer, and you have your
Say hi to the vlog. No, man, I like.
No, man, alive.
Yeah.
Brian, show them your essentials for the golf course.
Essential.
Yep.
Oh,
Your beer.
my beer, my weed's in the bag, though.
Inside the weed in the back.
She riding with me.
Alright, people, so we're about to, this is Dave. You know, talk to the people, Dave.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We're going up on the, just in there with. No, man, I lie. Alright, we're out and about.
So when I do it, I usually go like there's different schools of thought, but I go interlock. So I'll hold my hands like this, and then basically if you draw a line from the hosel all the way up here, and your thumbs should be a straight line all the way up. You put your thumb over like this, you're gonna hook it. If you hold your thumb up like this, you're gonna slice it. So you want to go straight line. Keep this arm tight and this arm straight. All right, Joe, hit away, buddy.
Alright, me first. So that's the flag right there, right?
Yep,
That's where I'm going.
that's right.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Still warming up?
Keep your head down. You got this one.
It's so big, why am I not hitting it? Alright, let's go.
Get a little closer. Put your feet a little closer to the ball. Now that you're closer to it, you should be better off. Oh yeah. Oh, Joe.
Where'd that go? That was a good shot. Sounded
Right
good.
away. It's right into the trees.
Sounded good.
Yeah, that did sound kind
No,
of.
man, we tough, man. You look clean. You
All
look clean.
right.
So yeah, then everybody can play from the second shot.
What are teams again? Me, you, Zach, is it me, you, and Joe?
Yep.
Nice.
I'm going that way, right?
Right at the pin, baby.
You see that flag, Josh?
I like it. Beauty. Turn, baby. Turn, baby. Nice shot.
I was trying to put a nice little draw to it. Good ball. Ball shorty. Oh, yeah. Get in the hole.
Beauty, Dave. Stay right there. Stay right there.
I hope we never see that.
Getting it all on film. I like it.
I'm hoping that they didn't see that one. But yeah, I never good on the first shot. But
We get there.
it's the first time. It's my first time.
Absolutely.
So we'll get better. Let's see.
Key is just getting used to like how far, depending on like some of the clubs are a lot longer than some of the other ones. So you get used to how far the ball should be away from your feet, and also just keeping your head down and just picking a spot on the ball and keeping your eye on the ball.
Brian's ball got pretty close. He got a good hit, So we'll take it. Brian is on our team, so we'll take it.
Easy na easy.
Put it up there. Put it in, baby.
That chip, it's supposed to chip.
Where you at that one? Chip it, man. Chip it, no? Chip it.
Easy na easy.
Beautiful.
Nice.
That's crazy.
We need you.
Nice ball, Miles.
You're working that draw,
Look
baby.
at that right to left draw. Beautiful. Nice ball, Brian. Yeah, he's gonna like that.
Money.
I mean, if you're playing.
Silent, huh? That's kind of what you're supposed to do.
Yeah, it's supposed to silent, man.
Straight, baby.
Yo, just run for your ball, uncle. Just run for your ball.
There's nobody behind us, so we're not.
It now go on good. It now go on good, people.
Thank you, Captain.
Yeah. So, when you see the shot there a while ago, again, connection, but direction and elevation off. You see it? We're getting there. We have 9. How many more holes to go? 7.
This is the second, so 7 more after this one. Yeah.
There we go. All right. So, let's see if we get better. That's 10.
One time.
Alright, so we're up.
You're back up 2, right?
You're getting better. That's a lot better, yeah.
One time.
That might be it, Miles. Break. Oh!
Fall off it there, yes. No, man.
Yeah.
Say, man, that's how we living, bro. You see me? I'm on the belt. No little cargo shots.
That's
the
right.
same way.
Joe.
Bad night.
Yes. One time.
Good ball.
Nice ball, buddy.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh.
It was great. Right edge. Right at the right edge.
Oh, Jomar, we're taking you. Yes, Rush. That's gonna work, buddy. Go. It's gonna roll back down to the green. Go. Yes.
Yeah, bro, so fun day. We'll go through some highlights. What do you think of the highlight of the day?
To be honest, I'm gonna get some good connection.
I'll tell you the connection, brother.
There was a no.
What? No, man. Right?
No man, but the seventh hole.
Yeah.
But he get a clean one straight through, like right on the fairway.
It started awful. Missing the swings, everything. But my highlight of the day for sure was when the king over brother with a slap a ball off of me. And the people in probably can see me a tumble down still, but they're not the highlight of the day, bro. But pretty fun. I feel like we want to get in a golf, bro.
For sure. Well, as I said, bro, we can do this more often. Hopefully, we'll get the next chance to do it again. Obviously, we're not gonna flag it every time. You know, but
People, tell me if you like this type of content. We are trying new things. Yeah, well, too new still, but we are trying some things.
yeah, cause we're not a youth really to try new things. You know that. Though,
Yeah. But yeah, bro, fun time. A little bit embarrassing. Some of the time. But yeah, had fun for sure.
I say, bro, I'm not really embarrassed. First time golfing, you know, but Craig Butler say I think treat a man as he is and you remain that way. Treat a man as you can be and you'll aspire to do so.
For sure, bro.
We want for them on the golf course, with old man pants. You get me? I say, and bad sneakers, same way, shirt tucked in. This is the image where I try to get to. You get me? I say?
Bossy.
And you know how we can get to this, bro?
Oh, tell him.
People, if each one of you guys share this video to at least 5 people and get us at least
Bossy dog.
yo, one of our friends them a drive this, we have to cut it for top.
Crank it up, my name.
But anyways, if each one of you guys can get us 5 subscribers, you know how many subscribers that get us by the end of the day?
Yeah.
And you know how much more views? So we can get more money.
Yeah, but you first, you who watch this video need to subscribe. You see me? Like the video, leave a comment. Make you know what you think. Think we're good at the golf thing, you think we're trying to do sports and things. Make you know.
So that's our virgin, Zach.
Yeah, old gang, you know? yeah. But people, for now, this was This Or That Sports TV.
And we're out.